So when I was younger, there was dust in it. That's why I put water damaged. You also want to buy this gun? Then just remember, don't put this in water because this is an electric gun.